Hi friends! Today we are going to start with our application problem or our number story problem in this first video. Then you're going to answer some questions, and then after that you're going to have another video with more questions about something called the arrow method. So this is something that we haven't done yet, but I'm going to teach it to you right now and in the next video. So this story is a very important story about my friend Terrell, who works for the USPS. He's a mailman or a mail person. Um, and he has a lot of stamps. So it says Terrell put 19 stamps in his book Monday. On Tuesday, he put 32. How many stamps did he put in all? So I'm going to model how to solve this. First, I know that Terrell put 19 on Monday and he put 32 on Tuesday. So I'm going to draw my tape diagram that we learned about a little while ago. And I know that this is Monday, this is Tuesday. Monday was 19. Tuesday was 32, and I have to find out how many he put in all. I can also make a number bond by showing I don't know how many there are in all, but I know that there's 19 as a little part and 32 as a little part. I know if I add my little part plus little part, I get my big whole or my total, or how many stamps he had in all. So I'm going to start with 19. And I need to add 32. I know from my past lessons that I can add groups of 10. So 32 has 3 groups of 10 in it. So I'm going to add 30 first. And I'm going to draw this arrow to show that I'm not finished. So 19 plus 30. Well, I can count up by tens. 19, 29, 39, 49. I got 49. Now I still have these 2 stamps to add for my ones. And I can count on 49, 50, 51. Now I found that Terrell put 51 stamps in his book. Now that we have our total number of stamps, we can see that Terrell's book actually holds 90 stamps. Remember, he's a mailman, so he has a lot of stamps. How many more does he need to fill up his book? Well, we know that he has 51 and that he needs some more to get to 90. So let's draw another tape diagram to help our thinking. T's stamps, there's 51, and we need 90 to fill up the whole thing. So that's our total number needed. So it looks like this right here is what we're trying to figure out. Oh, let me move this a little bit. I can move my face so you can see what I'm doing here. There we go. So we're trying to figure out that right there. So I want you to use your arrow method to show 51. And then I want you to think how many groups of 10 or how many ones would you need to add to get to the next unit. So if I wanted to get to the unit 60, I'll just put it right here. How many ones would you add? And then if I want to get to the unit 90, how many ones would you add? So I'm going to mark this on a little quiz that you can solve and answer this question on your own.